Ask your AI a question about your own business. Which of your customers are about to cancel? It can't answer, not because it can't think, but because it can't see. The smartest model on Earth, blind to the one thing that pays your bills, your data. So you become the middleman, exporting spreadsheets, copying numbers out of Stripe, pasting it all into a chat window. Your AI is only as smart as what you remembered to paste. That's not an intelligence problem, it's a plumbing problem. Your business runs on a dozen tools that don't talk to your AI, and wiring each one up by hand costs thousands and breaks with every new tool. Then Anthropic released MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a USB-C port for AI. Connect your data once, and any AI can use it. And it's not one company's bet. OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft all adopted it, and Anthropic handed the standard to a foundation it co-runs with OpenAI, its biggest rival. The whole industry agreed on one rail. But here's the gap. Half of companies are experimenting with MCP, and only 11% have it in production. A demo on a laptop is easy. A secure server wired to your live revenue and customer data is the hard part. That's what we build. Ask which customers are about to churn, and your AI checks live usage and names them. Your Monday exec summary writes itself from Stripe, your CRM, and your analytics. A support ticket lands, and the AI pulls that customer's real history before it drafts a reply. Real answers from real data, and the source code is yours. If your AI could see everything your business knows, what's the first thing you'd ask it?